Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and I would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay spiced rum, brand new bottle. It is 70 proof and is a product of, does not say, they're out of Louisville, Kentucky. It's up around the neck. Ounce and a half of your Parrot Bay spiced rum. And I'm going to top it off with A&W root beer. Give that a quick stir. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to John Gracik. Gracik? So sorry if I mispronounced your last name. John passed away on May 30th, 2025 at the age of 78. He served in the Marine Corps and he called New York home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Wow, I'm going to give that a solid 10 out of 10. The Parrot Bay spiced rum mixes well with the A&W root beer. I don't get the spices in the spiced rum. I get root beer with a little hint of rum. This is fantastic. I highly recommend it. John, may you rest in peace. That is good. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.